In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a scroll effect on Wix. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. This is where you will make all of your design changes and preview how the effect will look on your page. Once you are inside the editor, head to the section of your site where the element is located that you want to animate. Next, click on the specific text, image, or button you want to add the effect to. Make sure you select the exact item, because the scroll animation will only apply to the element you choose. This is useful if you want to draw attention to a call to action button. Make an image feel more dynamic. Or give text a more modern, interactive look as visitors move through the page. After selecting the element, look for the animation icon in the floating menu. It usually appears as a small star or sparkle symbol. Click that icon to open the animation settings. This panel gives you access to different motion options that can help make your site feel more engaging without changing the actual content. Inside the animation settings, scroll down until you find the scroll section. Then click Add. This tells Wix that you want the animation to happen in response to the visitor scrolling on the page, rather than playing automatically all at once. Scroll effects can make a site feel more polished and interactive, especially when used subtly. Now choose the animation style you want to use. You might see options like turn, parallax, or spin. Each one creates a different visual result. For example, parallax can create a sense of depth, while spin or turn can add more noticeable movement. Pick the one that fits the style of your page and the type of element you are animating. Once you've selected an effect, click Customize. This is where you can fine-tune the animation by adjusting things like the direction. These settings help you control how dramatic or subtle the movement feels. If you want a cleaner, more professional result, it's usually a good idea to keep the motion smooth and not overly fast. When everything looks good, click Preview to test the scroll effect. This is an important step because it lets you see how the animation behaves as someone actually scrolls through your site. Watch for whether the movement feels natural and whether it improves the page instead of distracting from it. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.